Now, one of the most common after effects of COVID-19 that's reported by people in South Korea is a persistent cough. However, depending on how long the cough lasts, it may or may not be a result of the virus. According to experts, coughing caused by COVID-19 lasts a maximum of 3 weeks. Anything longer than that, especially more than 8 weeks, could be chronic. Patients are advised to keep a close eye on their symptoms, as a chronic cough is not accompanied generally by a sore throat, fever or runny nose. People are advised to visit a doctor if their cough lasts over 3 weeks.